How to send money on Revolut. The very first thing you want to do is to open the application Revolut. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this home page. In here, what you want to do is look for the option transfer and then head over to it. You will be taken to this page. It will show you all the accounts that you have already transferred. And you may also see some of your bank account if you have added. If you want to send the money to new account, click on new at the top right corner. Well, different options will be available to you. You can select any of the specific option in order to send the money. Let me head over to bank recipient. Well, the screen is hidden due to some privacy to protect your personal information. But what you want to do is simply enter the bank details of the account that you want to transfer the money. Enter the amount that you want to send. Once you are done filling up all the information, click on send at the bottom right corner. And then the money will be sent successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can send money on Revolut. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you on the next one.